Hello everybody, my name's John, a retired cook from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to my latest video recipe. And in this quick video I'm going to show you how to make 12 perfect traditional Yorkshire puddings. They're a fantastic addition to any Christmas dinner, and the best part is you can make them ahead of time and freeze them ready for the big day. You can see the ingredients list and full written method for this recipe on the recipe page on the channel's website. And the link to that page and lots more is in the description box under the video. Just find and click on the word more, and that'll give you access to all the relative links for this video, including our website store products. Okay, let's get on with today's recipe. Before starting the recipe, get your oven hot. So, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, that's 390 Fahrenheit, or gas mark 6. And for this recipe you'll need a 12 cup standard muffin tray. For the fat I'm using the good stuff, and that's the Wagyu beef dripping. You can also use duck or goose fat, or even oil. And unless it's clarified, the last thing you should use is butter, because at these temperatures it will spit all over the place. Right, get the tin into the hot oven while we mix the batter. Right, make sure all your ingredients is ready to go. Start by cracking your 4 eggs into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, you can add the salt. Now grab a whisk and beat those together for a couple of minutes to get plenty of air into those eggs. You can use an electric hand whisk if you like, but I've found you get better results by hand whisking. Don't know why, it just does. Okay, dump all of the flour into the bowl and mix until you have a thick paste. Now you need to gradually add the milk a little at a time at first. Give that a mix and it'll become looser each time. I guarantee if you add all of the milk at once, you'll be trying to whisk out the lumps forever. A little more milk and another quick mix. And if you wouldn't mind guys, if you found the video useful and enjoyable, can you give the video a like by hitting the thumbs up? It really helps the channel tremendously. Much appreciated everyone. Right, now it's safe enough to add the rest of the milk and give that a final mix. Now get your batter into a jug that has a good pouring spout. And by the way, this batter will keep in your fridge for 2 to 3 days. Okay, now carefully lift the slightly smoking tin out of the hot oven and onto the top of the cooker. Now simply divide the batter into the 12 cups. Okay, get the tin back into the oven. Now set your timer for 25 minutes. And while those Yorkshires are baking and Christmas is just around the corner, here's a quick word about my 5 recipe books. These carefully designed books, with most recipes linked to the corresponding recipe on video via QR codes, make fantastic presents. So, to avoid the holiday rush, get your orders in early. The link for the books and all of the other equipment I use in my recipes are in the description box under the video. And thanks in advance for supporting the channel guys. Right, time's up on these wonderful Yorkshire puddings. And like I said earlier, they could be made and frozen well in advance. And to reheat from frozen, simply stick them in a hot oven for 5 minutes. They should have risen quite a bit and be golden brown on the outside, and soft, chewy and light and steaming hot on the inside. And this one is burning my fingers off. To me, Yorkshire puddings are an absolute essential on any Christmas dinner. Massive thumbs up for this one guys. For this week's name splash and shout out, I'll be doing that in the main video recipe a little later this week. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So until the next time, be safe in your kitchen and bye for now.